To make this corset top, start by cutting out the fabric. You will need to cut out a fabric layer and a lining layer. At the end of this video, I will show you how I made the pattern I am using here so you can make it for yourself. For the back, fold up the curved edge. Here is an overview of how the pattern pieces should look. Start by sewing the front and back pieces together, both for the fabric and the lining separately. With the fabric and lining right sides together, sew along all edges except for the bottom and the top edge of the straps. Next, snip the curved edges to prepare the corset to be turned inside out. Next, take one of the straps and fold the raw edge inwards, then insert the other strap and top stitch them together. After sewing the straps together, go to the lining side and mark boning channels. You can place them wherever you like, and here you can see how I decided to place mine. I recommend making one at the back edge to stabilize the fabric for the grommets. Next, top stitch the layers together, keeping both layers flat to create the channels. Then insert the boning. I am using zip ties and they should be a good inch shorter than the channel they are inserted into. Next, mark the placement for the grommets. Mine are 1 inch apart. Make a hole where the mark is placed and insert the grommet. Next, I measured the length of the bottom of the corset to determine the length needed for the bias tape. I cut a strip of fabric that matched the length and used a bias tape maker to iron the edges inwards. Then the bias tape was attached to the bottom of the corset. Lastly, I put some ribbon through the grommets and the corset was done. To make the pattern, draw a line that has the length of your shoulder to waist measurement. Then mark a line from the shoulder equal to half your arm skew measurement, and a line from the shoulder equal to the length of your shoulder to bust measurement. 4 inches below the bust line, draw another line. You can adjust this line to your liking. Then mark half your shoulder width on the shoulder and arm skew line. Connect the markings and mark the 2 lines as shown here. At a 45-degree angle, make a line of 1 inch and another at 3 inches. Also mark a point 1 inch above the arm skew line. Then draw a curve that connects all points. Mark the arm skew and bust line with 1/4 of your bust measurement and then draw the armhole curve. Mark 1/4 of your waist measurement on the waistline and connect it to the bust line. From the line between the bust and waist, draw a curved line that meets the waist at the middle. The same pattern is used for the front and back, but I folded in the curved edge when making my back pieces.